All right, we are on top of Black Mountain on a cloudy day. Oh, okay. And Smiley, we will show you how to do recline push-up because that's another push-up that a lot of our fans enjoy. So, all right, follow me, Lily Ty. Watch it right here, all right?
Go, Jimmy. How low can you go?
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Good job.
Huh? I'm going to do 10 more bonus.
Okay.
Just to motivate all of you out there. 10 more.
Go, Jimmy.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40.
Good job. And here's the beautiful view. Cloudy day, but it's quite gorgeous. $100 view here.
Alright, everybody, if you can do 40 push-ups, go for it. Otherwise, we just got 40 dental kits from Claudine, dentist Claudine, Tsui,
Smile creation.
of Smile Creation Dental. So we can take it to Sapa Home Center. We need 100 kits because we have 100 children. So keep that in mind. You want to donate, contact Smiley Lily Ty, and definitely we can keep the smile going for a lot of people.
All right.
All right,
Thank
good.
you.
Stop.